Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Solutions Hub YouTube channel. It's your friend and technology instructor, Tech Wizard, and this channel is passionate about helping people who are blind or visually impaired to live more independent and fulfilling lives through technology by sharing and uploading the latest news and updates on technology for the blind. From time to time, you will be hearing different voices on the channel who will be covering everything from new assistive devices to accessible apps and softwares. These personalities will also be sharing tips and tricks on how to use technology to your advantage. We will be so glad if you can subscribe to the channel. I hope you'll find our videos helpful and informative. Please feel free to leave comments, share the videos, and suggest topics for future videos. Together, we can make technology more accessible for everyone.
Hello guys, you are welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Solution Hub. In this tutorial, I will be showing you step-by-step installation of Hannah TTS from Seraproc company. Without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the business. Firstly, there will be a link in the description box for this video that you can use to download the Hannah TTS itself. After downloading it, open it with your extractor and follow the step that I'll be showing you now. Firstly, I'll go to my File Explorer, which is File Manager Plus, to look for the folder for the TTS and start the process.
File Manager Plus.
Okay, this is my File Manager Plus. I will go to my internal storage. That's where I have the folder.
File Manager Plus. More options. Main storage.
So I'll be clicking on it to open my internal storage.
Open navigation door button.
Then I have the folder named Hannah TTS on my phone. So let me look for the folder now.
App editor, 11 items. 1 item. CSS underscore chip. Hannah TTS English by store of accessible apps for blind. 2 items. 9/15/2023.
So here's the folder that I'm talking about. In this folder, I have 2 items. Let me open it and show you what is there.
Open navigation door.
Swipe left.
Select button. Hannah TTS v6.0.1 provided by store of accessible apps for blind.apk 24.02 MB.
Okay, this is one. That's the APK for the TTS. Then we have
com.seraproc.hannah 1 item. 9/15/2023.
Firstly, I will copy this com.seraproc.hannah and I will show you where I will be pasting it into.
Selected. Com.seraproc. Rename. Out of. Copy.
So I've copied it. I'll press back button once.
Back. Open navigation.
So I'm still in my internal storage. Now there is a folder named Android in my internal storage. It should be there in your internal storage as well. So let me look for the folder.
App extract or line. App editor. Android. 4 items. 9/14/2023.
So here is the folder that I'm looking for.
Open navigation.
So in this folder, there should be another folder named OBB. So that is where I'm going to paste the com.seraproc.hannah that I copied to my clipboard in the other time. That is where I will be pasting it into. So let me look for the OBB folder.
4 items. 9/15/2023.
Okay, this is it. I will click on the folder in order to open it.
Open navigation door button out of list.
So after opening the folder, I will paste the com.seraproc.hannah that I copied to my clipboard in the other time. I will paste it here.
Paste. File Manager Plus operations are unknown.
So it's copying now.
From /Hannah TTS English by pom.sarahbrock.hannah copied the /storage/emulated/0/android/op. File scanning. File.
So, and I have the folder, the com.Hannah TTS, and I have it in my Android folder /up folder. So let me press my back button twice.
Back button. Open. Menu. Selected.
So now I will go back to the folder for Hannah TTS, the folder that we firstly opened.
Hannah TTS English. Hannah TTS English is my store of accessible apps for blind. 2 items. 9/15/2023.
So I'm open the folder now.
Open navigation door.
So I'll swipe left.
Select Hannah TTS v6.0.1 provided by store of accessible apps for blind.apk 24.02 MB 9.
So I will click on this APK file in order to install it.
Open with package icon button. Package installer. Package installer. Unknown. Package installer. Hannah TTS. Do you want to install this application?
Okay.
It does not require any special access. Install button.
Okay, let me click on install button.
Package installer. Hannah TTS.
So it's installing now. So let me check if
Package installer.
okay.
Yeah.
The app have successfully installed now. So let me swipe.
App installed.
So app installed.
Done button.
Done. I will not be clicking on this.
Open button.
So I will be clicking on this open button in order to verify if the process has been done successfully before switching to it.
Hannah TTS on top. Alert. Attention on bottom. Hannah TTS. Alert. Attention. This app is provided by Store of Accessible Apps for Blind.
Okay. If you've not subscribed to our channel before, our Telegram channel, you swipe to.
This app is click here to join our Telegram channel.
So you click on this button, it will take you to our Telegram channel. But if you are on our channel before, just press your back button.
Back button. Hannah TTS. Welcome to.
So let me swipe right to show you what I'm talking about.
Speak button.
Click on this speak button to listen to the sample of that Hannah TTS before switching to it.
Welcome to the new Android app from Sarah. Enter text here and press play.
Okay, that's it. If your own is not giving you this sample, you have to uninstall the app and do the process again. So let me switch to it now. Let me use it as my default TTS engine.
Home screen. Nova 7.
I will be open global contact menu now by swiping down and right.
Alert. Global menu. Text.
So I'm on text to speech already.
Text to speech.
Let me double tap to open it.
Text to speech settings. Navigate up button.
Then you swipe right.
Text to speech settings.
Still swiping right.
Preferred engine. ETI Eloquence TTS.
So-
List 6 items.
Let me change it to Hannah TTS that we just installed now.
Preferred engine. Preferred engine. Not checked. Not checked. Voiceify TTS. Not checked. Acapella TT. Not checked. Hannah TTS. Radio button.
Okay.
Alert. Attention. This speech synthesis engine may be able to collect.
Then you swipe to OK.
Okay button.
Text-to-speech engine Hannah TTS was selected.
So this is the Hannah TTS that we just installed. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are watching our video for the first time. Drop your comment, like our videos and share it with others. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.